Hey guys, G's Vintage Fan Shed here today with another fan video. I'm not able to do very long videos at this very moment because my phone storage is very much low. But this is going to be a very quick demonstration of an SMC Emperor. Here's the light. Here's low. This one here has a wobbling issue, and I was able to put it on a way shorter down rod, so good thing there, because original down rod hung down to like here. So considering I think these are like 5.5 foot ceilings or something like that. It's an old ass house, so. Alright, here's medium. This one here is a wobbling issue. One of the blades are warped slightly, so it's a little messed up. So I don't know what the clicking noise is. That has just now started. So here's medium, and here's high. Yes, it has bearing issues. And now for someone's been down. And that's it. Bye.